Hello and welcome to Captain Scarlet's Kitchen. It is again a grey day, so it calls for a pie. So today I'm going to do a chicken and vegetable pie with Oxo beef gravy. But first, let's have a cup of tea. This is the afternoon. You shall need an onion. I've got a pre-chopped onion that I've frozen. 400 grams of chicken, diced. Preferably not overpaying for it to be pre-diced like this. An Oxo cube, an egg, baby corn, whatever variety, broccoli without the thing on top, baby train, 100 grams of creme fraiche, of which, annoyingly, I've just realised that's half fat. You want full fat. You want some pie dishes. You want to butter these. I'm doing this in a completely wrong order. A carrot. And some... Sure? No, that's the wrong pastry. I was supposed to get puff pastry. I'm sure it'll be fine. Let's begin. Seal your chicken chunks. This might not be big enough. Right, now with your chicken sealed, add the onion, of which I'm going to struggle with a bag. Maybe this is bag cam? No, this is just core video. Right, so ruin the heat of the chicken. Oh, that bit's not sealed. Ensure your chicken is fully sealed. Right, I'm going to make sure the chicken is fully sealed and brown my onions, and I shall be right back. Do your carrot. Not that you've just forgot to do it beforehand. Softening this and doing that, dissolve your Oxo cube in 250 millilitres of water. Of boiling water. Oh, I've not even done that. Let's continue. Right. Now, for 10 minutes, add your stock and add your carrots. You want your carrots to get nicely softened. So, but that's a fail. Add the carrots. Blast it. Right, 10 minutes. So leave that side. So then you really want this bit, so I just want smaller stems. So I've chopped that. This is just looking like oh dear God. Actually, my chicken chunks are too big. Yes. Don't buy pre-chopped stuff. Right, whilst I've got some time, I've got some old butter paper left over. All I'm going to do is stick it in there, smear some butter around. Right, now this has been on the go for about 10 minutes. Lovely and tender. Now we're going to add the rest of our vegetables. And then realise my pan isn't big enough. And then, yes, okay, I know I'm doing it now. Shut up. That needs to be in for 5 minutes. Obviously stirred in, so we just get this. Oh, I need a bigger pan. Oh, I need, yeah, oh god. Why did I use my smallest pan? Because I'm a bloke and I'm going to persevere and I'm going to use the one pan. Thank you. 5 minutes. This isn't going well. I thought this pastry would be enough for the base and the top, and it clearly isn't. So yes, let's try and get as much as we can out of this. I suppose I'll at least do the lids, and I'll try and get as much for the base. Yes, this is going well. Going very well. Right, now this has gone to pot. Right, so now I need to add a tablespoon of corn flour. And I chose to do this like this. Why? Oh, it's gone everywhere. It's fine. Right. Season with some salt and pepper. Stir it through. This actually looks. I was expecting this to be a lot more brown, but I suppose the creme fraiche has changed colour significantly. The corn flour is just thickening it up. I was hoping to have had this all in the bottom of there, but I'm going to go for plan B. So I'm going to turn that off. I'm going to cut these out, so I've got the lids, and I'll just make something else with this. Let's try and divide this into 4. Yeah, okay. Oh my word, okay. I might actually have trouble getting this in the pot. Yes, I've got too much room. Plan whatever it is. I'll well, that's very annoying. The camera has apparently crashed. So I put those in. Now for the egg. Well, this is right. I think my brush has got butter in it or something. What has happened to this pastry? Right, so I've got to go. Well, I'll do this one. So I'll do this. I choose to do. Right. Do me proud. "25 minutes and we're back. With the extra pastry, I'm just going to do some sausage rolls. So seen me do that before. Fitting like that. Right, 15 more minutes. Right, so after that, I've definitely got the wrong pastry. But let's give it a go. Nope, lost the pastry. Oh. Too hot, too hot. Nothing wrong with the pastry. Yeah, that's really good. I just, I wanted to make a pie that was all enclosed, and that's just the lid. But never mind, I've got some sausage rolls for dessert. That's not how to make them, obviously, but there you go. Enjoy your weekend, whatever you're doing.